So what's up, fam? Your boy Travel Addict Taz coming to you live from Sacramento. I am in Sacktown, kicking it at the happy hour over at the Embassy Suites. I don't know what we're gonna get into today. It's been a minute since I've been out to Sacktown, out in the great state of California, IA. So anyway, you know what to do, guys. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit it right there, and welcome. Another episode with your boy Travel Addict Taz coming to you live from Sacramento, California. What do we have here anyway? What is this?
Flank steak.
Flank steak and the chicken sandwich. Yummy, yummy for the tummy.
Daydreaming.
Yeah.
Daydreaming.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's up, fam? What's up, fam? Your boy Travel Addict Taz out here in Sacktown, Sacramento, California. Right behind me is the stadium where the formerly known Oakland A's, presently known as the Athletics, are playing the Philadelphia Phillies. Major League Baseball happening right here in Sacktown, Sacramento, California. What's up? And apparently, The formerly Oakland A's, now known as the Athletics, will be moving over to Las Vegas along with the formerly Oakland Raiders that are now also in Las Vegas. But what's happening right now? Weekend party time. The Athletics against the Philadelphia Phillies. And it's your boy Travel Ag Tez coming to you live from Sacramento, California. What's up, fam? What's up, fam? Your boy Travel Addict Tez still out here in Sacktown. That is Sacramento, California. And as you all know, America's favorite pastime is baseball and apple pie. Now, going on tonight is some family friend entertainment. The formerly Oakland Athletics, now known as the Athletics, are playing the Philadelphia Phillies right across the street at the stadium. Me, myself, I have an early morning. I have an early wake up tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna have to call my night, how should I say, surrender in a lot earlier than I usually do on the weekends. Nevertheless, your boy's gonna get you some good content and take you around Sacramento, California, Sacktown, you know what I mean? So what we're gonna do right now is we're on the waterfront. We're gonna take a walk about before I take my crazy ass back to my room and get some rest so I can carry on with my adventures. And tomorrow, I'll be taking you guys to Guatemala City. Yeah, man, Latin America. And if you haven't done it, man, you guys know what to do. You know what to do. It's right there. It's right there. Go ahead, do your thing. Your boy, Travel Addict Tez, coming to you live from Sacramento, California, IA. Hey guys, check this out. This is historical right here. Right behind me are some of the old diesel, original, vintage trains that were hitting the railroads back in America in the 1800s. No doubt. Check it out, man. Yeah, man, we in old Sacktown with your boy Travel Addict Tez in California, IA. You guys see this? Do you see this? And I am walking on the original railway tracks. Do you see this? YouTube fam, do you see this? My goodness, it's like stepping back in time. We are at the Sacramento waterfront. Should I get bold enough? Should I get bold enough to jump inside? Should I? Nah, I got an early start tomorrow. Don't feel like getting arrested. Well, what can I say? This is like being on a Hollywood movie set, something like Back to the Future, where I'm traveling back in time, man. This is how shall I say? It's surreal. It is surreal, man. It's I mean, these are the actual trains from the 1800s, the original railroad tracks. We got cobblestone roads. We in old Sacktown, Sacramento, California, and it's your boy Travel Addict Tez, trying to give you the best content, trying to keep it interesting. And like I always say, man, if there's some destinations you want me to hit up, put them in the comment section below. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Keep that algorithm kicking in the right direction. I appreciate you all. Thank you for getting me over 15K. We're on the road to 20K. Thank you, YouTube fam. Keep it coming, keep it going, and hey, live your life. Manifestation is real. Make it happen. Make it happen. So guys, we are at the Delta King, one of the original boats that rode across this river that I stand in, old Sacramento. All right. Now, right now, what they're doing right now is something very unique, historical, and a very, how should I say, grand experience if you feel the need to do so. They have actually transformed this into a hotel, restaurant, bar, and grill. So you can actually check in to this boat and reserve yourself a room. It is a hotel as well. Now, how's that for stepping back in time? Hey fam, can you hear it? Can you hear it? Over yonder, we've got the sea lions over there. Can you hear them? Yep, there he is. Big Daddy's making his presence known. I think it might be mating season. Look at this, fam. Look at this. We're still on the Delta King. I'm trying to find the restroom, but what I have found is some more history. This is incredible. This is the Delta King itself. Look at all this history. And there it is. There's the lavatories. But before I get there, let me take all this in. And they have also transformed this into a hotel, restaurant, bar, and grill. Look at this, guys. The Delta Queen. This is absolutely incredible, to say the least. The Delta King Theater, original box office. Look at this. There's your elevators. You think they had those elevators back in the day? Wow, look at this, guys. Yosemite, the landing. Absolutely incredible. Sales and catering. So I think this is the F&B, human resource area of the hotel part of the now Delta Queen Hotel, Restaurant, Bar, and Grill. Oh no, say it isn't so. Does this actually say the Mark Twain Salon downstairs? Let's take a look-see. The Mark Twain Delta King Theater. The Mark Twain Salon Delta King Theater. My goodness, look at this. Restricted area, meeting and banquet attendees only. Well, I think I'll refrain from going down there. Okay. Well, let's make my way to the men's restroom. That's why I came down here in the first place. Look at these guys. And that is the original steering wheel itself. I'll get back to you guys once I get out. All right. Well, guys, as you can see, night has fallen. Well, it's taken place. This is actually my favorite part of the day. There's been times in my life where I've woken up and it's looked like this, and I didn't know if it was dusk till dawn or dawn till dusk, but it's my favorite part of the day. The colors, the pinkish hues, the purples, the orange. My favorite part of the day. Anyway, I'm getting off track. Guys, as I told you, I wander around sometimes and I just see what I get into, right? And this was one of those times. I am so glad I decided to step out and just walk across the bridge over in old Sacramento. Man, oh man. I feel like I stepped back in time. I swear it feels like I'm on a Hollywood movie set. This is absolutely amazing. The Delta King, do your research, pull up old Sacramento, man. The trains, the original trains that were running back in the 1800s. The original train tracks, diesel trains, cobblestone roads here in the United States of America. Yeah, man. I am glad I decided to just say, Tez, just go across the bridge. What do you have to lose? So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed a little bit of this content because I enjoyed bringing it to you. And if there's any destinations you'd like me to check out that you want to see, let me know. I'll always find a way to get there. I'll always find a way to get there. And of course, I'll do it for you guys. And I appreciate all of your support. I'm up 15K plus, baby, making my way to 20,000 subscribers. Thank you all. Thank you very much. This will continue. The boys got to wake up early in the morning because I'm taking you to Guatemala, Latin America. Until then, hasta mañana. Hey, check this out, YouTube fam. Old Sacktown even has a comedy club. It's called Laughs Unlimited. Comedy Club and Lounge. Check it out. Who's the entertainment?
Look, I'm
Oh,
here.
no, just say hello to everybody out there in YouTube land.
How you guys doing?
Tell them a little bit about Laughs Unlimited.
Laughs Unlimited is a nice comedy club. Got some great guys that come. Here's our header today, Elias. It's pretty funny.
My man, all right.
So if you guys are ever free, come and check it out.
All right, man. Hey, I just came from the King or Queen?
Queen,
The Delta Queen, yeah. That blew my mind, man.
Did it?
I felt like I was on a Hollywood movie set, like I was stepping back in time. No, really, that really blew my mind.
pretty
That
nice, huh?
that was incredible, man.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Appreciate you talking to him. Say to everybody out there in YouTube land, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey, you don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you, bro. All right, guys, we back in the room, man. I am so glad I told myself to walk across the bridge. Ah, man, some of the best things in life are free. That is definitely for sure. I really had a good time. And anyway, back in the room, I got an early start tomorrow morning. Gotta wake up at the crack of dawn. Take you guys over to Guatemala City in Latin America. All right? You see what I do for you guys? Huh, fam? You see what I do? Show you a little bit of my room. There we are. You know what I mean? So I'm unwind, take a shower, get refreshed. I Turn on the light. Turn off the lights. Light a candle. Where's the light? There we are. All right, there we are. So anyway, guys, Sacramento, California. I highly recommend it. Old Sacktown is the place to be. A lot of history. The people seem to be very friendly on this down this way as well. I enjoyed all the fans that went down to the Athletics, not the Oakland A's. They are now the Athletics. They will be moving over to Las Vegas, Nevada to join the Raiders. And yeah, the Athletics were playing against the Philadelphia Phillies over here in Sacramento, California. All right, guys. Well, let me get out of these funky clothes and get comfortable and edit this video that you're watching right now. All right, I'm out.